The question says in a polar molecule the ionic charge is 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power minus 10 ESU, that is electrostatic unit. Okay, electrostatic unit. If the inter-ionic distance is 1 angstrom, then dipole moment is there. You can see in this question charge value is given there and distance value is also given there. We have to calculate dipole moment. We can apply the formula. We have dipole moment is equal to charge multiplied by distance. Okay, formula is very simple, but you need to be careful with the units. Okay, and you should be careful about the unit conversion also. Okay, you can see answer is given by this is the unit of dipole moment. Okay, and but if you look at the unit, you can see it is given in electrostatic unit, and this you can see distance is given in angstrom. We have the charge value is what 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power minus 10, and ESU is there multiplied by distance is given in 1 angstrom. Angstrom is there 1 angstrom. Okay, always keep in mind we have a 1 dBi is equal to 1.0 multiplied by 10 to power minus 18, and this is ESU and centimeter. Okay, 1 dBi is equal to 1.0 multiplied by 10 to power minus 18 electrostatic unit centimeters. And there is also one more unit conversion formula is there, 3.34 multiplied by 10 to power minus 30, and it is coulomb and meter is there. Remember these unit conversions, it's very essential. This relation is as essential as this formula. Okay, if you know the formula and if you don't know the unit conversion, you cannot get the correct answer. Okay, so you can see ESU and angstrom can be converted into ESU and centimeter. From here we can go to the dBi. Okay, so we have 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power minus 10. ESU will remain same, and angstrom can be converted into centimeter, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to power minus 8, and this is what centimeter we have. Very interesting. Okay, so 10 to power minus 10 and 10 to power minus 8 is equal to what? 10 to power minus 18. We get 4.8 multiplied by 10 to power minus 18, and this is ESU dot, and this is centimeter, and this entire portion, let me change the color, this entire portion is equal to 1 dBi. Then we can say is equal to 4.8, and this is what dBi is there, dBi. Okay, capital D also we can write. Very interesting. 1 dBi capital D is equal to 1.0 multiplied by 10 to power minus 18, and it is electrostatic unit centimeter. This portion is equal to 1 dBi. We got answer 4.8 dBi. Any such option you can see, we have the C option is correct. C option. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.